Hi, it's Nick with SprinterStore.com, and today we're filming an unboxing of a couple of products. We're going to start with a Tec Vanlife framing and L-track kit for our 144 short roof base. Let's check it out. All right, so let's get this open. This is built, it's cardboard, but barely. I mean, that's made out of paper, but that's thicker than hell. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut all of the straps on this guy using my trusty cut towards myself method. That's oh so safe. Like I said, packaged well. This is a Benchmade. All right, so last strap there. Peel these back and see what's inside. The package is quite heavy. My guess is it is completely full of all kinds of goodies for us to play with. So once I get all this strapped out of the way, a lid that appears to be still slightly taped on. The lid is made out of cardboard that is, I don't know, the top plate is gotta be 1/2 inch thick with these very reinforced sides. Nothing's getting through this stuff. They really don't want this stuff moving around or hurting anything, itself or others. So let's see what we've got here. We have a ginormous bag of, it looks like stainless steel rivets and a whole bunch of M5, probably 6mm bolts and some self-tapping Phillips screws. There's even a drill bit in here for the correct size for the rivets, which is awesome. This is literally all inclusive. There's an Allen wrench hiding in here. So if you have a drill and you have a rivet tool, you can install this kit. That's really cool. So we're gonna set that aside. Looks like we have all different kinds and sizes of frames. So this is some kind of welded extruded aluminum. Nope, just welded aluminum. It's been powder coated. There actually is a slight bend to that. So this is gonna be one of our roof pieces where they go across and brace in between the individual joints. I take that back, this isn't roof, my apologies, sorry, this is the side of the van. So this is going to be mounting probably somewhere in this range. We have the rear version of that piece, and this is almost as wide as my hand, has a very nice metal frame built into it that is, again, about 1/2 inch thick and has a nice arch to it. This is designed to fit into the back of the van perfectly and just be headache-free for install. No having to fiddle with, oh, it's not quite the right curve. So that's awesome. We have the other side version of each of those two pieces right here, and that appears to be our vertical framing parts. Now we've got more foam and looks like a whole lot of L-track. Now this L-track is prepackaged and marked with some kind of number, probably millimeters long. Gorgeous, deep set, flat mount L-track. Very well built. And it's got a nice lip on it for mounting some kind of internal surface, like if you want to have a carpeted wall or a wood paneled wall. You have enough gap there that this will fit cleanly in and allow you to do that. That's really awesome. We've got a whole lot of that. I mean, a lot of L-track. Now, the cool part about this kit is this is for both driver and passenger side, and it completely wraps around our van speed pod here that you will see. We will have L-track on all 4 sides of that here, and then on the other side, it will wrap around the pod as well as going forward past to the next window. Now, in the third and final layer of this box, we have the rest of the framing hardware. This is all, well, really well made. Very well, nicely done, powder coated, reasonably thick pieces, and then the other cross pieces, everything has been laser cut and actually has pre-installed rivets, or riv nuts, I should say, for bolting everything together, and includes the marking of what number this is and the fact that this is for a Sprinter 144 and a couple of other markings on there. Again, incredible looking kit. All of these pieces are very well, very thick plastic. The powder coating's great. The metal's of a really high quality. It's got just enough bend to work, but enough stiffness that that's not going anywhere. So I'm looking forward to getting this installed. This has been Nick from SprinterStore.com, and this is the Tec Vanlife wall frame kit and L-track mounting system.